Alright kids, here we go. We're going to continue January 2011, 1 through 15. Now we're doing 16 through 20. Quantitative are things that I can add up, things that I can take averages of, things that I care to figure out. What is this erase? Oh, that's erase. Oh, I love this pen. I can just erase and go back. Just found out this little red thing on the end of my pen's an eraser. Life is so good. Wait, let me see. Ooh, wait. Can't seem to erase that thing. Okay. Would never, oh man, then I do stupid stuff like that. I would never want to take the averages of phone books. I would never want to take the averages of addresses. I would never want to take the averages of zip codes. I might want to take the average or whatever of the time it takes Harper's students to complete a test. Choice 4. Alright, so the absolute value is a V, and so it has to be this one. Choice 3, absolute value is a V. Oh, great. Let me put these in order. 63, 76, 85, 89, 90, and 94. Does that make 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? So the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the median is 87. Does it even have a mode? Oh my god, I didn't realize. Oh, we got the big eraser. Jeez Louise, what am I, crazy? Missed all that stuff. Every single math test has a 69. I don't know if that's a joke. Alright, let's try this. Right, 63. The next biggest is 69, of course. You have to have that number. Let's see, 76. And there's 2 76s. Next biggest one after that is 78. And then 81, and then 85, and then 89, 90, 94, and 97. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So the sixth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 over there, 5 over there. 81 is the median. 81, 81, 81. The mode is 76. It's not greater than the median. Mode 76. Of course, the other ones have mean. So, just as a fun way to do this, you could hit the stat button and then go edit and type these into your list. Do 1 var stats L1, and it will tell you the X bar is average. Or you can just add them up and divide. So 63. I'm going to go back to the original list. 90 plus 85 plus 76 plus 63 plus 94 plus 9, 81 and 76, 78 and 69, and 97. And if I divide by 11, hopefully it's somewhere around there, 81.6. 81.6 is greater than the mode. 81.6 is not less than that, and 81.6 is not equal to that. So the answer is 1. Alright, so we use parentheses when it's less than or greater than. We use the brackets when it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So it says greater than 2. So it's got to be one of these two. Less than or equal to 20, so it's got to be a bracket on 20. The sum of, okay, so I can do one of two things. I can do 2 stow x and then figure out what you get. Plug, just type that in your calculator and figure out what the answer is. Or I can find the common denominator, which is 4x. This one doesn't change, 7. This one got multiplied by 2. So this is 6 over 4x plus 7 over 4x, which is 13 over 4x. Don't forget, we do not add the denominators. I could type that in my calculator, or I can do it manually. I prefer to do it this way. But, of course, you can check it using your calculator. Square root of 4, square root of 2. This is 2. So I get 5 square roots of 2. Slope. In order to talk about slope, you need to solve for y. I'm going to bring this over because I hate negative y's, and I'm going to bring that over here. So I get 3x equals 7y. Try again. 3x minus 9, because I wrote the 9 over, equals 7y. And if I divide by 7, there's my slope. 7 over 3. Oh, not 7 over 3, 3 over 7. The area of this shape is 15, and the area of this shape is 15. So I know it's 30 plus something. Well, that something is a circle, pi r squared, but only a fourth of it. And I think if I do that, if I put this in my calculator, oh wait, what the heck's the radius? Well, you got to think about this. This is the circle. Here's your circle. So there's your radius of 3. So this would be 9 pi over 4. And I think it's 707, so the answer is 37. Squared means write twice, or you can just square everything. 10 squared is 100. W cubed squared multiplied by the exponents is w to the 6th all over 5w. 5 goes in there 20 times. Cross out one of those, and I end up with this. Or I can just write it twice. 10w cubed times 10w cubed all over 5w. And then this would give you the same work here. So Ey over n plus k equals t. Bring the k over, I get Ey over n equals t minus k. Cross multiply, I get n times, that's n, t minus k equals Ey, and then if I want to solve for y, I divide by e. Problem. Subtracted from backwards, so x squared minus 2x squared is negative x squared. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10xy. And 2 minus minus 6 is 8. X equals negative b over 2a. You must memorize that. Negative b is negative 6. Negative over 2 times negative 1. A is, remember, this is A, this is B, this is C. Negative 6 over negative 2 is positive 3. X equals positive 3. By the way, y equals r. It couldn't be the right answer. Roots means if you plug it in, that those are the solutions. Be careful. If I factor this one, I get x plus 3, x minus 5 equals 0. So you might think that's the wrong answer. However, don't forget to find the roots. You actually have to solve them. And that is the right answer. And if I graph that, I would see that it crossed the x-axis at negative 3 and positive 5. So that is the right answer. 2 left. Empirical probability means estimated probability of getting a prime number. Prime numbers, so there's the first prime number, second prime number, third prime number, fourth prime number. That's 3, and 4 is 7, plus 5, so that's 12 out of 20. Multiply to negative 6, add up to negative 1, that's minus 3, minus plus 2. There's that 5 and 6 again. X minus 6. And you might think it's x minus 6 and x plus 1, but doesn't this sign tell us the signs have to be the same? So this can't be right. So the signs have to be the same, and they both have to be negative. Negative 3 and negative 2. Those cancel. There's my answer. That's it.